Hi guys, welcome back to my another vlog. Hope everyone doing good. May Allah give you all the success. Ramadan Kareem to you all and happy fasting. We are getting ready to welcome Ramadan, the month of blessings. This time I am really very happy because all my family members are with me for this Ramadan. Yes guys, my mom and sister had come from Sri Lanka. This year's Ramadan I am going to celebrate with my family, which will be an unforgettable memory for me. The day before Ramadan, I cleaned and decorated the house. But first of all, I have to go to the store to buy groceries. I had to buy few things because I have everything I need for the house except few things. So we all decided and we went shopping on the first day of Ramadan. I came Lulu for shopping. Lulu is my favorite place for shopping, especially for groceries. Since I came to Qatar, we have been here at least once a week for all my groceries and other needs too. And it is the best place to hang around and spend time. All branded groceries are available in the Lulu Mall. I bought small quantity of fresh vegetables for 1 week. Every day I used to cook vegetable with main course. Now it's time to buy onions in bulk because onions is an important ingredient in all the dish while we cook. We finished shopping in a hurry because there was a lot of work at home. After we had purchased groceries, we went to a restaurant for dinner. After having dinner, we went back home. We didn't do anything after that and we slept. The next day morning, my mom woke up very early and my mom made tea for us. This day after lunch, we started all our work. I have to clean the entire house and decorate it with star moonlights and banners. So start the cleaning process from the kitchen. My kitchen tiles has a sticky coating. I had to use dishwasher to remove it. I scrubbed the spot until the dirt was removed. Then I poured the water to clean it. I cleaned few things which was in the same place for a long time, cleaned them and kept them back to the same place. Then I prepared evening snacks for my family while working. So now I am going to make egg burger. So first cut the tomato and onion into ring shape. Next cut the bun into half pieces. Place the burger buns and toast them till both sides are lightly browned. Break the 5 eggs into the bowl, add half a teaspoon pepper powder and some salt, beat well. Place a pan over medium flame and heat oil in it. Pour the egg mixture evenly and spread out. Fry the omelette on both sides until well cooked. Once done, take out and turn off the flame. Take the egg omelette and cut into round shape. I took mayonnaise and ketchup. Take the half bun, spread mayonnaise and tomato ketchup on one side, and finally place the omelette, tomato, onion and lettuce on top of this. Cover it with the other half of bun and serve it. Later I got back to my cleaning process. This is my new microwave oven. I bought it from Lulu. I use the water and then wipe it with a clean cloth. Then I organize the groceries in a simple way by using cupboards. I have done my kitchen cleaning. You also try to take some effort to keep your kitchen neat and clean. Next I am going to clean my hall section. One of the plumber had come and he started to nail the wall to hang the curtain. During that decoration time, I used a white paper board to write Ramadan Kareem. Also, I bought lanterns and banners from online. But I like to decorate things which I prepared on my own. That's why I am drawing it. After writing it, I underlined and colored it with blue pen. And then cut into the shape. I took some moon and star stickers and stuck them on the board. After that, we hung it beautifully on our curtain. Next, I had to decorate the table. This is my favorite part of cleaning. I bought some decorating items for table decoration. This is my new tablecloth and placemat. This is tissue box. One of my brother, who is my friend's husband, bought me tissue box. It was beautiful to look at. I put some dates into the bowl for iftar. Her friend came while working. We just called her to come home to put henna in our hands to welcome Ramadan. This is my daughter's hand. Looks so pretty. I told my family members to put henna until I finish my work. After finishing my work, I also put henna on my hand. My husband did some work because I couldn't do it because of henna. When the henna dried, I washed my hands and continued decorating the table. We all put henna on our hands. This is star moonlight. I bought it online. Then hung it on the wall. This is my Quran. I read the Quran every day. It is 18 years old. It was given to me by my grandpa. We have been protecting it for 18 years. We made some moldy fish sambal, lemon pickle and mango jam. I put this on the tire table for daily use. We love to eat candies, especially my daughter loves this. And this is Copico toffee, coffee flavor, and my mom's favorite. And it tastes so good. This is Ramadan Kareem banner. This one also I ordered from online. See, my table looks good. I absolutely love to change it up and create something new each time. And I love to share with you guys. Now I'm going to put candles inside the lantern. I removed the old one and replaced the new one. Beautifully designed Ramadan moon star with soft light will bring a dull room to life and bring a peaceful night. We have created this beautiful warm light to add a festive glow to our home during the holy month of Ramadan, and it will create a pleasant atmosphere. This is Bakhor. It's an Arabic traditional form of fragrance. We call it buhur. I always like Arabic scent. I use this buhur every day. We can easily find the scent of buhur in Qatar. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming another interesting vlog. Until then, take care. Bye.